Manisha from Vama's Crochet. We are going to learn Koiri, that is Haldi Kumkum Dibia. In Maharashtra, it is called Koiri because it has the shape of raw mango. Therefore, in Marathi, raw mango is called Kairi. Therefore, it is called Koiri. Okay. This is Haldi Kumkum Dibia. If we remove the lid, here are two partitions for Haldi and Kumkum. Okay. I have made this from this nylon yarn with glittering nylon yarn with glittering. When we crochet with nylon yarn, it is stiff, therefore it shapes like dibia or whatever. But if I am going to show you with this woolen also, first start with 5 chains, leave 10 to 12 centimeter yarn. We are going to use it as a to fix the lid. This yarn we are going to use as to fix the lid. Therefore, leave the 10 to 12 centimeter yarn, make 5 chains. 1, this is first fixed chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains. Now from second hook, from second chain from hook 1 and 2, make 2 SC, 2 single crochet in same stitch, 1 and again 2. Now make 1 single crochet each in next 2, 1, 2 and in last again 2. It means there are 6 SC. 1, 2, 6 SC, 6 single crochet in first row. Okay. Now 1 chain and turn your work. Again 2 SC in first, 1, 2. Now again 1 SC each and in last 2 SC. 1, 2, 3, 4 and in last 2 SC. We increase 1 SC at each corner, therefore there are 8 SC in second row. Now again chain 2 and turn. Now 2 chains and turn. Now 2 half double crochet in same first stitch, 1, 2. Now half double crochet in each 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6, first 2, total 8, and in last we are doing again 2 HDC, 2 half double crochet, total 10 HDC is there, right? Now again 2 chain and turn, 2 DC in first. Now we are doing DC, 1, 2. Don't consider this 2 chain as a DC, only 2 DCs are there. 2, again 1 DC in remaining all, means total in third row there are 10 HDC. We are increased only 1 DC, therefore there are total 11 DCs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Mango shape is first increasing, then decrease at one side, and again make sharp end at one side. Okay, therefore we are going to again we are here increase. Now we are going to decrease the stitches. Again 2 DC, turn the work, 1 DC each in 9 DC, 1 DC each in 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 2 DC tog of last 2 DC, as we are increasing from one side only. Means 1 2, 2 DC tog. There are 3 loops on hook, we make 1 of 3. Now there are 10 DCs. Okay, again we are decreasing. Again 2 chains, turn your work, make 2 DC tog, 1 and 2, means 3 loops are there on hook, make 1 of them. ठीक है, तो ये 1 हो गया. 1 DC each in next 6 DC, 1 2 3 4 5 6. These 6 DC and first 2 DC top, total 7 DCs are there. Now we are going together this last 2 DC, 1 and 2, 3 loops on hook, we make 1. Total 8 DCs, 1 from one end 2 DC tog and another end 2 DC tog and in between 6 DC. Total 8 DCs are there. Now we are making single crochets row. First 1 chain and then turn, 2 SC tog, 1, don't pull the yarn, keep the loop on hook, insert the hook in second stitch, pull the yarn. There are 3 loops on the hook, pull the yarn from all 3 loops. This is 2 SC tog. Okay, now 1 SC each in next 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4. There are 5 stitches. Now we are making 2 SC tog of last 2. 2 SC tog means insert the hook, pull the yarn, keep the loop on hook, again insert the hook in next stitch, pull the yarn. There are 3 loops on hook, pull the yarn from all 3 loops. There are total 6 SC. Okay, now chain 1 and turn, 2 SC together, again insert the hook, pull the yarn, insert the hook in next stitch, pull the yarn and pull the yarn from all 3 loops. This is 2 SC tog. Again 1 SC each in remaining, means total 5 SC, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Again 1 chain and turn, 2 SC tog again, 1 2 SC tog, again 1 SC in each, total 4 stitches. This is 1, now second, third and fourth. At the end of 9th row we have 4 stitches. Okay, 4th SC, again chain 1 and turn the work, 2 SC tog again, 1 2 SC tog. This is 1 stitch, again 1 2 and 3. Now 1 2 3. Okay, 1 chain and turn, again 2 SC tog, 1 2 and total 3 stitches are there. This is 1, 2 SC tog is 1, this is second and this is third. Now chain, don't make the chain or make chain. Okay, chain, make the chain, turn your work, 1 SC in first, 1 half DC in second and 2 DC in third, 1 and 2 DC in third. Now cut and fasten of the yarn. See, we can see this as a mango shape. Okay, make 2 pieces of this. The one is for lead and another is for the base. For lead, we are going to do this. We will leave this 10 to 12 centimeter yarn. Bring this yarn between 2 stitches. Okay, now make one slip stitch there. Now 3 chains, 1, 3 or 4 chains, 3. I have made 3 chains and slip stitch at the same place. That is picot of 3 chains. Okay, from this we insert this yarn and fix the lead so that we can move it like this. Okay, make 2 pieces of this. Then make 35 to 40 chains. While making chain, use to see it is it fixed all over the border. Okay, fix it with tapestry needle. Before sewing with tapestry needle, hide all yarns except this. Okay, sew like this along the border. Sew the border like this along with border. When you come to the starting point, again pull the yarn from second SC, keep this yarn inside and then sew along this. Okay, and then make these two end close. Okay, where I have sewed it along the border. Now sew these two end together or join it together. 1 minute. Oh. While joining it, make here also 1 or 2 stitch. It will give proper shape to your query. Okay, now cut the yarn. This we have pull this yarn between two S's. Now again pull this yarn up to the head or up to top of this part. Again make slip stitch here. And make picot of 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now sew the middle part of make 12 chains and rows of 2 SC and sew the middle part here and insert this yarn lead, insert the yarn of lead from dibia and from dibia to lead. and make a knot here. Now hide the yarn and cut it. Okay, this is your haldi kumkum dibiya or koiri is ready. If you make it with nylon yarn, it will be stiff and it will look good. If you make it with wool, your hand tension should be tight, or you have to use a small number of hook for this, but it will look good in this nylon type of yarn. Okay, thank you for watching me. Like my subscribe my channel. Thank you.